we understand the mail server topic. Basically, there are two types of mail server in our RHEL 5.0, Sendmail server and Postfix server. Both server has required Dovecote mail server. Dovecote is one type of mail server. By using the Dovecote configuration, you exchange the mail on a client side. Now we understand how to configure the Dovecote server. First of all, we install the Dovecote RPM. Just see in our screen, it's the RPM required for Dovecote mail server. Install this RPM in our Linux system where we want to configure mail server using the rpm-ivh command. Now we are in our server computer. First of all, open the source directory with cd command. Here we are in server folder. Now run the rpm-ivh command to install a Dovecote RPM. Type RPM name Dovecote, press tab, now and press enter. We get error because the packet require dependency. If you want to install this packet, continue to run rpm-ivh command with no deps, means no dependency option. No deps. Now type packet name Dovecote. Here we are in source directory. Press enter. Packet installation starts. Finally, install the Dovecote packet. We configure certificate. For that we open directory, cert directory with cd command. The directory located following path: etc/pki/tlc/cert. Your cert directory are stored in /etc/pki/tlc folder. Now we are in cert directory. Now run the make command, and here we make one file. Dovecote.pem. We make one file, dovecote.pem, with make command. Press enter. File creation is start. Here first of all configure 1024-bit RSA key. Just enter country code word in capital letter IN for India. It is basic configuration of a certificate. You also enter state name Gujarat. Enter locations Ahmedabad. Type organization company name Red Hat. Type unit name education. Type a fully qualified domain name server.redhat.com. Type email address root@server.redhat.com. The DNS server is required to configure a mail server in our system. So first of all, configure a DNS server, and after start a mail server configuration. Now we open etc directory with cd command and open our dovecote.conf file. It is the configuration file of Dovecote mail server. You see the dovecote.conf file. In this file, press I for go in insert mode and remove the hash mark of line protocols. Now finally we enable for protocols IMAP, IMAPs, POP3 and POP3S. Save and quit the file. Now start the dovecote.conf service. For that run the command service dovecote restart. Finally Dovecote services start. Just see, Dovecote service starts successfully. After completing a Dovecote mail server, we configure a Sendmail server to exchange the mail, send and receive a mail. First of all, we require a package. Which type of package are required for a Sendmail server? There are three types of packets are required to configure Sendmail server. The packet see in our screen. Here one domain, Sendmail domains in our Sendmail server. Its script file name is Sendmail. It's located in our init.d directory. Its port number is 25 and the Sendmail configuration file is sendmail.mc and it's stored in /etc/mail directory. You also see the related send files of a Sendmail server, TCP wrappers, Sendmail docs. Now we configure Sendmail server. First of all, we come to on our source directory of Linux RPM. Now we install a Sendmail RPM with rpm-avh command. Type Sendmail and press tab button 2 times. Finally, you can see the list of Sendmail RPM available in our source. Just type 8 and press tab. Here the Sendmail RPM is installed. Now we install the second Sendmail RPM, Sendmail-cf. Type Sendmail, press tab. Now type cf, press tab, press enter. RPM is installed. Now we install the third RPM, Sendmail-devel. Run the command rpm-avh. The installation is continue running. Finally install the Sendmail RPM. Run the clear command to clear the screen. Now we use the M4 macro language to configure sendmail.mc and sendmail.cf file. It's used to DNL space. For that we run following command. M4 and set the path of sendmail.mc file. Use the input character and its output is input in sendmail.cf file. Press enter. Now we configure incoming Sendmail configuration. For that we open Sendmail configuration file. File stored in our /etc/mail directory. The file name is sendmail.mc. For that we run following command. And we change following line in our sendmail.mc file. Just see in our terminal, we open mail directory with cd command, run the ls command. Here you can see the Sendmail configurations file. Open the sendmail.mc file with vi editor. vi Sendmail